2 CV axle removal. I've been working on this on and off since about 11:30 this morning, and now it's like 9 p.m. Couldn't find any videos on how to do this on a Mercury Villager. So this is part 2. What I ended up having to do, it's taken me between interruptions about an hour of hammering, but I took all 3 bolts out, and I've been using different punches like this one here. I'm using a pry bar like that, and this was my main punch. I just started out with a smaller metal punch and just kept chiseling around where the bolts had gone through, and it just slowly started working out. Sprayed it with WD-40 a couple times, but this punch finally really broke it loose. I just kept running it up. There's little, the metal sticks out farther where the bolts went through. I'd run this up between there. I'll show you. Finally got it loose. There it is. So I was running this between right there where the bolts go through, and up in there, just working at different sides. And this part was just been in there for 260,000 miles, I think. So it was just stuck in there tight. So I just kept ramming that in, and it finally broke it loose enough to come out. And I saw some guy made a slide hammer out of vice grips and a mallet handle on YouTube, so I didn't have the time to build one of those, but that would have been great. And then he clamped it on, cut the boot off, clamped it on here with the vice grips, and used the slide hammer to pull it out. Somebody should invent some kind of tool for that. So the other way to get this out that I thought of is if you had an air hammer. I don't know if they make electric ones. I was going to check at Harbor Freight, but they were closed already, and see if they had electric air hammer or, mechanical hammer that would have worked great between there. You basically I saw those when I worked at an auto shop. You basically put one of these into there in the air hammer, and it just chiseled in between. That would have been great. So I finally got it. So now I'm going to pull it out. I'm pondering replacing that inner seal. I don't know how hard that is to get out. So it looks like it's leaking a little bit.